Normally, every transition have teething problems. You can see even the transition of the CBC, because any transition normally find itself many things to be corrected. So I think it is very early to say whether the country is in good or bad track, because in my view, I think the national government and every county government is still establishing systems and establishing and putting things in the right perspective. So I think we wait to see going forward how things are going to work out. But hearing today from the governor the plans he has for the county, and I think if those plans are underway and begin to give fruit, we see the fruit, then I think it can put us in a different trajectory. We can also assess ourselves, against the hardships of the entire globe. The globe is in a recess. The war in Ukraine has made life far much more harder. The drought is here with us in Kenya. So I think setting priorities is what we continue to urge all our leaders. Let us not pick on everything. It will be very difficult. Let us pick on priorities. And I think if we pick on the right priorities, we can see change in the future. So I don't want to begin judging at this point in time, because we came through a transition with a drought at hand. Coming from COVID, I think it will be unfair to judge and say we are not right or we are right. I think let's give those who are planning opportunity to plan and to see those plans bearing results. And plans which when plans are put in place, normally it takes time to begin to bear fruit. So I think let's give ourselves that benefit of doubt and see whether all what is being put in place will give positive results, which I believe it will. Thank you.